In this quick video, I will show you how to set up Coinbase extension step by step. So the first step is to go to chrome.google.com/webstore and then on the search bar, type down Coinbase, click here, and click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, click here, and pin the Coinbase wallet on your extension. And now you can create a new wallet if you don't have a wallet yet. You can also import your wallet by clicking here. So for example, we want to create a new wallet. Copy the seed phrase or the 12 words that is given to you. Click here and click continue. Now you will gonna need to click the first and the last word. Then click submit. Type down your password. Click here and click submit. And now you have successfully set up your Coinbase extension on your Google Chrome. If you have any questions about how to set up Coinbase extension, leave a comment below.